In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the motherboard. What do you need? A screwdriver, a spudger, a container to put the screws in, micro screwdriver, spatula, thermal paste, wet wipes, a microfiber cloth, and a metal cleaner spray. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Disconnect the cables from the battery and the heatsink. Unscrew the screws that hold the heatsink in place. Carefully lift up the heatsink. We are now going to clean the CPU. To do this, we first use a plastic spatula. Use a wet wipe. Spray some metal cleaner on a microfiber cloth and clean the last bit. It's time to remove the adhesive strips. Hold the strip tightly and pull it gently. Do the same on this side. Put the laptop on its side and press into this hole with a micro screwdriver. Once you press there, the keyboard will come up. Then hold it. Now you can take out the keyboard. Disconnect all the FFC cables. Unplug the CMOS battery. Turn the laptop 180 degrees. Now it is time to disconnect all the cables from the motherboard. Remove also the Wi-Fi module. Take out the screws as shown. You can gently lift the motherboard. Now take the new motherboard and install it. Do this the same way you took out the old one. While doing this, be careful not to leave any cables under the motherboard. After you have the motherboard back in place properly, put back the screws. Reconnect all the cables. Place back the Wi-Fi module. Turn the laptop over so you can connect the other cables as well. Put something soft on the touchpad so that the casing is protected from being damaged. Then get the keyboard and reinstall it. It is important to use new thermal paste, therefore we need to clean the heatsink. We are going to do this the same way as we cleaned the CPU. Put a little thermal paste on the spatula and spread it evenly over the CPU. Make sure the whole CPU is covered. Place back the heatsink as shown. Put back the screws. Connect the heatsink and battery cables. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.